Here we are at Animal Kingdom. There it is. We're gonna go on Flight of Passage first, hopefully. Okay, we just got off Flight of Passage. What did you think?
Really awesome ride.
It was so good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I give that like a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I put like a 9.
Yeah. The only ride that beats that so far, I think, is Rise of the Resistance.
Yep.
Yeah. I think this was a little bit better than Hagrid's, but Hagrid's was really good.
I like Hagrid's a little bit more, but this is really great as well.
Yeah. Heading into Africa. Alright, it's now 9 o'clock and we just got off the Kilimanjaro Safari ride. What did you think?
It's great. Morning, they are real active.
Yeah.
We had a rhino walk up like right on us.
And what was that thing with the horns? The big horns? I can't remember the name.
The Ankoli cattle.
Yes. They were blocking the road and yeah, it was so fun. But now we're gonna go find some breakfast and coffee. Okay, we are at the Yak and Yeti quick service. I got the breakfast bowl with sausage, and Dominic got the kids French toast with orange juice, 2 waters. And we also got Joffrey's. He got a mocha latte, and I just got a regular latte.
That's a real monkey. I did not know that they were this obnoxious.
These monkeys have been just talking away. Alright, we just finished eating breakfast and we were listening to the monkeys arguing all during breakfast. It was so funny.
Hooting and hollering.
They were so cool, like swinging way up high on the ropes. It was awesome. What did you think of your breakfast?
It was alright.
Yeah, it was, you know, it wasn't anything special, but it was food. Anyway, we watched the monkeys for a while, And now we're gonna go on Expedition Everest. You excited? Mad. Expedition Everest. It was so good. We're going again. We are heading into Dino Land. Okay, we just got off of Dinosaur. What'd you think?
Thought it was alright.
Yeah, it was good. I'd give it like a 6 out of 10. Indiana Jones is just far superior.
Yeah. So. Why is it being compared to Indiana Jones though?
Well, it's a similar like ride vehicle and track.
Yeah.
But
yeah, Indiana Jones is better.
Yeah. I think Indiana Jones is more thrilling.
Oh yeah, because when the stone comes down, it's similar to the.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. and it's like super bumpy. Yeah. I'd say like the track and the ride vehicle is like the same, but Indiana Jones is better.
We get to work with these awesome birds who just flew in from a half of a mile away. What kind of birds are they? Shout it out if you know.
Parrots.
That's right, they are parrots.
Wow. We just watched the Feathered Friends in Flight, is that what it's called? Where the parrots and the blue macaws come in. So cool. They flew so close to our heads. We're going over to this show. I don't think either of us know the name at this point.
No.
Birds are still flying over our heads.
Wow.
That's so cool how they're just like, they can just fly wherever. But they choose to fly around here.
Yeah.
Because they get food.
That is awesome.
My mistake. We just watched the winged encounters.
Now we're going to go watch Feathered Friends in Flight.
Yeah.
Can you give everybody a nice hello?
Alright, we just watched Feathered Friends in Flight. It was so cool. Got up close to a lot of really awesome birds. Saw a bald eagle and a toucan, blue-throated macaws, and a bunch of others. We're heading into the Lion King show. Alright, we're at Satuli Canteen, and I got the beef bowl with noodles and herb sauce, and Dominic got the shrimp bowl with rice and some sort of green onion vinaigrette, and then we also got this dessert that's falling apart. It's like this blueberry mousse. Yeah. So what'd you think of it, Dominic?
It's good. I had a pretty healthy lunch.
Yeah.
It's pretty tasty. The beef, I think, was not as good as the shrimp.
Oh.
So I'm happy that I got the shrimp.
Yeah, I got the beef one. I liked the beef a lot. I just wish that there were more noodles. Like, I ordered mine with noodles, and it's like mostly peppers and slaw, I think, rather than actual noodles. And the noodles are actually really short, so I'd probably get it with like the rice or something else next time, but it was still really good. Okay, I'm gonna try the dessert. Oh, this is a meringue on top. Whoa. That's really good. It's a meringue on top.
I have no idea what that means.
You've never had meringue?
I have no idea what a meringue is. I probably had it.
It's an egg white sugar like cookie. It's really airy and crunchy. Yum.
Yeah, all mine.
No.
Gabby says he looks scared. But I think he's just hot and resting. No.
He's just chilling. We're in line.
I thought you were taking a picture.
We're in line for Cali River Rapids. All right. What do you rate that ride out of 10? 0. Look how wet he is. This is just soaked. I hardly got wet. I want to rate Cali River Rapids probably like a 6 out of 10. I love water rides, but that one was all right. I feel like there could be more drops in it. So we're heading into
Just listen to me.
no. So we're heading into It's Tough to Be a Bug, which used to be in California. Oh, look it. But it's gone now, I think. I'm pretty sure it's gone. Here we go. So what did you think of It's Tough to Be a Bug?
It wet me. It was actually pretty good though.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Think so.
Yeah, it used to be in Disneyland, and I vaguely remember it. But yeah, it's been many years, so I didn't remember all the interactive elements. But yeah, it was good. Which is like blue curacao and lime and margarita, and then these are like passion fruit bobas. It's really good. And then we got Dominic the night blossom. I honestly don't really know what it is. Oh, that's really good. Here, you try.
I think it's like apple.
Yeah. You try.
I don't remember.
It's okay. People.
I know that it has apple.
It's like a famous one though. Like people really like it. They're good.
Every day, I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may, may, may. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you.
So we just saw the gorilla exhibit, and it was so amazing.
Yeah,
I think that was my favorite part of today.
it was incredible. We got to see some babies.
Yeah, and I learned a lot from the cast members here. Okay, I've decided I'm going on the water ride again by myself. Because Dominic's still wet from earlier, and I love water rides.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one
It
for me.
landed right on my lap.
Hey, did I have a lot of fun?
Yeah, and my raft was full of people with the first visit button, so it's just all first timers in the raft.
Awesome.
So now we're in line for the Navi River Journey ride, which is just like a slow boat ride. It's supposed to be really pretty. It's in the Pandora section. So we're probably gonna start seeing this land start to glow as the sun goes down. But yeah, this ride has been a very long wait all day. And it just now got to be only 45 minutes, so let's ride it.
My heart is yours.
so busy rushing to do some last rides, I forgot to talk about Navi River Journey. So what'd you think?
It was amazing.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it a lot.
Yeah.
I'd put it like a 7 or 8.
Yeah, me too. The animatronic was really good.
Yeah, that was probably my favorite part.
Yeah, my only complaint is that it is very short.
Yep, which is why I'd only get the 7 or 8.
Yeah. Okay, we're getting on the Mount Everest ride again, and we're gonna get the back row. I'm gonna ask for the back row because I feel like that would be most thrilling. Let's do it. So, for Expedition Everest, which one's better, front or back?
Front for sure.
Okay. I think the back, the front is better, but the back is really good for over that hill because you feel the most like thrill, you know?
Yeah, but I think
But the front
over
is
that,
good.
no, I think the front you get the most thrill
That's
because
true,
you
'cause
have
you
all
get
that
to see it,
anticipation.
yeah.
And you're just like, oh! 'Cause
Yeah.
even I got scared. I was like,
Yeah.
oh no.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
did,
and
yeah.
I don't, I normally don't get scared. So.
Yeah. But now the park is closed, so we're saying goodbye to Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
We're not sure what we're gonna do tomorrow, honestly. We're gonna see about maybe getting a park hopper pass for our last day so we could do Hollywood and Epcot. And maybe squeeze in a little Animal Kingdom, I don't know. But I think right now the plan is to go back to Epcot
Yeah.
because we didn't
Either
get
way,
to do...
we're going back to Epcot.
Yeah, we didn't get to do quite everything in Epcot yesterday, so...
Yeah.
well, actually, we still have a lot to do in Epcot, so...
Yeah.
Bye, Animal Kingdom! Alright, we are back home.
And I am upset because they're playing Nightmare Before Christmas and we're not going to watch it right now.
Oh, we need to eat our food and go to bed right now. we have a little treat. We also have food. And we are gonna eat it in our room. We got this cupcake at the world premiere food court, and I can't just not film it because it's sparkly. Oh man, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there you go, you can kind of see, but it's super glittery. It's Mickey Mouse. We're gonna eat in our room and relax. So, good night.
Good night.
Last day tomorrow. Sad.
Not sad. Very happy because we have a whole another day tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, we get to go to sleep and wake up and go to the parks again.
But it's been a really good trip.
It has been.
Alright. Good night.